We're going to be looking at the ALSI 40. It seems like since Joe Biden won the elections, everything has been looking up. And this is because it's most likely that investors are anticipating that there's going to be better trade relationship with China and the United States. And they are expecting another stimulus package, which you know what that means. It means that there's going to be more jobs, there's going to be more GDP coming into the economy, there's going to be more business operations and efficiency. That's going to bring a high level of optimism, which is going to push the US markets up. And obviously we are followers, so we will follow the US market most likely. And then since Pfizer and Moderna came out with their announcement that they've just released the vaccine with over a 90% effective rate, global markets and local markets have rallied. But in South Africa, there was a bit of trepidation as to will we be getting a vaccine or not? And then what happened last week? Aspen has recently announced that they're going to bring the Johnson & Johnson vaccine to South Africa and that it's going to be done on a huge manufacturing scale. So that's all good news with regards to COVID. But more importantly, we had one of the most biggest banks in the world upgrade our JSE stocks, and that was JP Morgan Chase & Co. So they've upgraded the South African stocks from underweight to overweight, and we saw the JSE sectors rally. We saw the Rand go up 2%. We saw banks go up over 7% to 13%. We saw drug and retailers go up over 7%. Things are looking great. Now I want to get straight to the chart. Okay, so we are looking at the ALMI 40, and the ALMI 40 is the all-share index on the mini index. Okay, and why are we looking at the ALMI 40, which is the mini index compared to the ALSI, is because with the ALSI you need over 80,000 Rand to buy one contract, and with the ALMI you need 10% of that. So with the ALMI you can manage your risk more carefully, and I think that's very important as a trader, is we need to be able to manage our risk. The ALMI has been coming down since August, down to around the 6th of November. And during this time was when I was personally in a drawdown and the markets weren't looking that great. And whether you shorted or you went long, you most likely got stopped out because you would short over here. And just as you short, the market rallies. And it happened again and again. But now it has broken up this downtrend and it's entered into a bull market. So now we are back into the uptrend. Things are looking a lot better than before and end off very positive for the fourth quarter of the year. So it broke above. This is a very nice confirming candle. And then it had its little correction, which is what's very normally expected, where the buyers and the sellers test their levels to see who's going to win. Are the sellers going to drive down the prices or are the buyers going to drive up the prices? And clearly the buyers are winning. So let's put a horizontal level over here. There has been a beautiful cup and handle formation that's been forming since the 4th of August, and it's just broken out. You're seeing this first, premium multi-traders. So now that it's broken out, I am going to take the difference between the high and the low, and I'm going to add it to the high, and then we will get an idea of what it is. So let me give you some levels. So my high that I'm looking at is 52971. All right, so this is where the most activity that took place within the breakout pattern, which I think is more important than choosing the top of the wicks or the bottom of the wicks. Then the other level that I want to highlight is 47060. All right, so then you take the difference between the two and you add it and you get the first price target of 58882, and there it is. There's the target for hopefully by the end of this year. Then we can rally and we can get into as many stocks. At the moment I'm holding 8 positions, 2 are short and 6 are long, and this is a very bullish sign that we can expect upside. It looks like we're going to be getting 3 white soldiers if tomorrow it closes up, and that will give us even more confirmation that there's upside to come. So I'll be looking at a lot of JSE stocks. We're going to go long a lot of companies, and you are the one that's going to be seeing these trade analyses obviously through the premium multi-trader service. So that's about it. Let me know what you think about the analysis and if you're excited to go with the JSE rally. And remember, you have to like, share, and subscribe so I can get more information of whether you're enjoying these analyses, whether you want to see more international or global or cryptocurrencies. It's completely up to you.